Here in Spain, dozens of customers are already using the Dynapac SEISMIC Roller. Today I'm here with my colleagues to demonstrate how our local customers are benefiting from this unique technology that could have only been created by those who truly understand your goals and challenges in road construction. Created to be in tune with the soil rather than forcing compaction, SEISMIC mimics the natural behavior of the soil as it gets compacted. This is achieved by adjusting the vibration frequency in a smart way, benefiting from the resonant frequency of the drum floor system. When working in resonance with the ground, the impacts of vibration are more effective. This allows compaction work to be carried out at lower frequencies, reducing the energy demand, letting the diesel engine operate with less effort and at a lower RPM.
Nos han apoyado mucho en la compra del rodillo y estamos muy contentos con su rendimiento. Esperemos verles solo ya cuando compremos la siguiente máquina, aunque si lo necesitamos seguro que estarán aquí.
SEISMIC main advantage compared to a conventional roller is the remarkable fuel saving, as well as the reduction of machine wear. The explanation is simple. SEISMIC, by optimizing vibration parameters, reduces the number of passes as well as engine demand.
Encantados de colaborar con Transapaval y Canteras Blocona. Esperamos que estos primeros rodillos sean el comienzo de una larga y exitosa relación.
La cabina es muy cómoda, está muy bien insonorizada y esto se agradece para las largas y duras jornadas de trabajo.
Together with our extensive and professional distribution network, we are ready to support you being by your side in future projects. Come with us and let us be your partner on the road ahead.